To cancel a Nordstrom order from purchases. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to do so online account or the application. So let's get started. So we can start by going to Nordstrom account. You can sign in into your Nordstrom account on the website or in the application, and you can look out for your purchases or the order history. So in the top right corner, you can find a profile option that you can click on, and once we click on it, a menu pops up. From the given menu, we can select the option of purchases, tap on it, and then once we tap on it, we should be led towards another page. Now, in this following page, what we can do is we can look out for the order that we want to cancel. From the section right here, we can search for all the purchases that we have done. In the section, go ahead and type it in, and you can also select which year. So you can select up the past year, 2026, or 6 months, or tap on all and view all of the purchases from the section right here. Once you view it up, you can find the order that you want to cancel and look out for the details next to the order. And once you find it up, you can directly look out for the cancel button on the order details page. If it's available, you can confirm up the cancellation request, and when prompted, you can follow up all the process. And you should be receiving a cancellation confirmation email soon afterward. And that's it. And you can cancel only within a short window after placing the order, usually before it moves from processing to shipped. If the cancel order button is not disabled, is disabled, or is missing, it likely means the cancellation window has passed or the order is far too long to be canceled. And that's it. And if nothing else works, you can contact their customer support right away. Sometimes they should help you even if the button is disabled. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.